Are you searching for the best way to help relieve your body pains? Does it seem as if no matter what it is you do, the pain just never leaves, and in some cases, even gets worse? Millions suffer with disruptive pains in their back, neck, and other areas of the body that prevent them from going about their daily tasks. And unfortunately, many just can't find relief no matter what they try. So what is the solution? Pills? Surgery? Or some type of gimmick? No. The solution to many cases of disruptive pain is chiropractor care. With a qualified chiropractor, they will get to the root cause of your pain and will provide you with an effective game plan to get you living pain-free. Our experienced and caring staff will eliminate your pain and help you get on your feet. Contact us today for a free evaluation.